how to use Microsoft Excel in less than 2 minutes. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use and become professional on Microsoft Excel in less than 2 minutes. So first thing, go to Excel. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now here you will find many templates. Now let's say that you want to make a business plan. Or what you have to do is go to the top and search for business plan. Click OK, and here you go. Here you will find business financial plan, you will find business checklist, and anything you want to create, just search for it. For example, grocery. Here is the grocery, as you can see, list. Everything can be edited. Click on the one that you want and click create. Now here you can edit the product name. For example, let's say what products, let's say bananas, like this, and the quantity, for example 5, and add the price right here. And after you finish editing all this list, go to the top and click save, and everything will be done easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe.